Safety first. Make sure you let your loved ones know where you're going, when are you planning to come back, and be prepared. Bring plenty of water, food, and supplies. If you decide to hike for half a mile, 1 mile, or more, anywhere here, you're going to have spectacular views. In the description of the video, I'm gonna leave lots of information like how to get here and also links to the trails up here. By the restrooms, we're gonna find PCT trail. That's what we're doing today. In about 10 minutes in, you will start to see amazing views. Most of this trail, you are going to have views of the mountains and also Highway 2. If you enjoy solitude, I recommend that you come here on a weekday. This was a cloudy day with temperatures on the 60s. It was beautiful and perfect. In about 0.9 of a mile, we get to the Grassy Hall Visitor Center. Here you find restrooms, picnic tables, and parking. From here, you can return to Inspiration Point. That would be a hike of 1.8 miles total. Or if you like, you can continue on the Pacific Crest Trail all the way to Jackson Flat Campground, which is 1.2 miles from here. About half a mile from Grassy Hollow, we get to this point where you get to see amazing views of Mojave Desert and Mount Baden-Powell up ahead. When you reach this point, you got options. If you continue hiking to the right, you get down to Apple Tree Campground and Jackson Lake. You can continue on this paved road all the way to Jackson Flat Campground. And also, if you like, you can tilt to the right to the PCT and go on the right side of the mountain. Or you can also return to the Grassy Hollow, taking this road that way. If you've decided to continue on PCT, here's the split. Do not miss it. That's Jackson Lake. About a mile from Grassy Hollow, we have to make a left turn. If you keep going straight ahead, that is the PCT. That will take you all the way to Canada if you're willing to. For now, we're just gonna go to the left. Small part of this trail is overgrown, so make sure you have hiking pants and long sleeves. If you're wearing shorts, I don't recommend you go through here. Two miles from Inspiration Point or 1 mile from Grassy Hollow, we make it to Jackson Flat Campground. This is where we're gonna start going back, taking this road. Dogs are welcome on this trail, but just make sure you have them on a leash and clean after them. Thank you. This is how it looks on the way back. From this side, you're gonna have amazing views of Mount Baden-Powell and also Mount San Antonio, which is better known as Baldy. Here's a small clip of my hike to Mount Baldy after a snowstorm. That was an epic hike. I recommend you watch it. Highway 2 is a very beautiful drive through the mountains. If you ever have a chance to do it, I recommend that you do. We almost made it back to where we started our hike. Down there is the parking lot. From that point to here, it's about 10 minutes. And to the right, we have the inspiration point. I'm gonna take a break and enjoy the views, and I hope that you do too. This was around 11 in the morning, and it was so beautiful. I only stayed for half an hour, and then I had to go home because there was 30% chances of thunderstorms. Please make sure you check the road conditions and the weather before coming up here. Be safe. No wonder they call it Inspiration Point. Imagine this after a snowstorm. I've done a video about that too. I'm gonna leave a link at the end of the video so you can check it out. I hope that you have enjoyed the video, and please don't forget to subscribe.